I will talk about the acids and base concept, and there are three important acid-base concepts. The first one is Arrhenius acid-base concept. So acid is the proton or hydrogen plus ion producer, and the base gives the OH minus ion in the solvent. And the other concept is Bronsted Lowry acid-base concept. And proton donor or the hydrogen plus, same thing, since there is no electron in the hydrogen. So if this is a hydrogen atom and if there is a electron, so this is hydrogen. However, when this electron comes, it becomes H plus, so it is just a proton, right? So we are therefore calling it as proton. I just want to mention it. And the proton acceptor and donor is the base. This is base and this is the acid. And there is one more, Lewis acid and base concept. So in this case, electron acceptor is acid and the electron donor is base. So for instance, we can make it simple by looking at some examples. For instance, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. If you put it with water, it will create hydrogen plus HSO4 minus. So this is an acidic. And this is also for the HCl. If you put it water, it will create H plus and the chlor minus. So it is acid also. And if you put sodium hydroxide, it will create sodium plus and the OH minus. It's created OH minus, so it is base. And if you look at the Bronsted Lowry acid-base concepts, I hope it's blue. We can use blue for this case. So if something takes proton, it's acids, and if something accepts proton, it is base. So for instance, we can look at this example. NO2 minus, NO2 minus and H2O. This is a reversible reaction actually, therefore I should use a double arrow. H2O plus HNO2, for instance. So in this case, H3O plus gave a proton H plus, so this is an acid and this is the conjugate base of the water. And if you look at these two, so NO2 minus took a hydrogen, so it is a base, and this is the conjugate acid. And we also look at the Lewis acid-base concept. It is also an easy concept. For instance, you have a ammonia in water. Ammonia attacks one of the hydrogen by using its electron, and it creates NH4 plus OH minus, which means that it donates the electron. So this is the base, and hydrogen accepted the electron, or water accepted the electron, since water accepting the electron, so it is the acid. So this is all three acid and base concepts.